Tracking conversions is essential for measuring the success of your Google Ads campaign and understanding how well your ads are driving valuable actions on your website or app. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to set up conversion tracking. 1. Set up conversion tracking in Google Ads. Sign in to your Google Ads account. Go to ads.google.com and log in to your account. Navigate to Tools and Settings. Click on the Tools and Settings icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on Conversions. Under the Measurement section, select Conversions. Click the plus button to create a new conversion action. Choose the type of conversion you want to track, e.g., website, app, phone calls, and follow the setup wizard. 2. Choose conversion source. Select website or app. Choose the source of your conversions. If you want to track website actions, select website. For app-related conversions, choose app. 3. Configure conversion details. For website conversions, name your conversion action. Give your conversion action a clear and descriptive name. Choose a category. Select the most relevant category for your conversion action, e.g., purchase, sign up, lead. Define the value. Set a value for your conversions if applicable. This is especially important for e-commerce transactions. Select the counting method. Choose between every and 1 to determine how you want multiple conversions from the same user to be counted. Choose attribution model. Select the attribution model that best fits your business goals. Common models include last click and linear. Set up a conversion window. Define the time period during which a conversion is attributed to an ad click. For app conversions, select the app source. Choose the app platform, Android or iOS, for which you want to track conversions. Enter the app details. Provide the necessary details about your app. Define the conversion details. Specify the conversion name, category, and value, if applicable. 4. Install the conversion tracking tag. Choose how to install the tag. You can either install the tag yourself or use Google Tag Manager. Follow the instructions provided based on your choice. Implement the tag on your website or app. If you selected manual installation, place the conversion tracking tag on the relevant pages, e.g., confirmation page for a purchase. 5. Verify conversion tracking. Check tag status. After installation, verify the tag status in the Conversions section of Google Ads to ensure it's working correctly. 6. Test conversions. Perform test conversions. Complete a test conversion on your website or app to check if the tracking is accurately capturing the desired actions. 7. Monitor and analyze. Review conversion data. Regularly review the conversion data in your Google Ads dashboard to analyze performance and make informed decisions for optimization. Additional tips. Use Google Analytics. Integrate Google Ads with Google Analytics for more detailed insights into user behavior and conversion paths. Set up e-commerce tracking. If you run an online store, integrate Google Analytics e-commerce tracking to capture revenue and transaction-specific data. Track different conversion actions. Set up multiple conversion actions to track various user interactions, such as form submissions, newsletter sign-ups, or specific page views. By implementing conversion tracking, you gain valuable insights into the effectiveness of your Google Ads campaign, enabling you to make data-driven decisions and optimize your advertising strategy for better results. So that's it. See you soon.